Hi. In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter O.
O, O, O. U, U, U.
Blending sounds.
O, O, O.
Go. No. So. Old. Cold. Sold. Told. Gold. Bold. Hold. Fold. Host. Both. Don't. Won't. Most. Open. Hello. Moment.
U, U, U.
Do. To. Who. Whom. Practice.
O, O, O.
No. 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 Don't. 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 Go. 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 No, don't go. No, don't go. Hello. 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 Both. 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 Hold. 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 Clothes. 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 Hello. Both of you hold the clothes. Hello. Both of you hold the clothes.
U, U, U.
Do. 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 Do the task. Do the task. Who. 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 Do. 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 To. 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 Who do you want to ski with? Who do you want to ski with?
O, O, O. U, U, U.
Sold. 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 Gold. 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 Two. 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 Old. 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 He sold the gold to an old man. He sold the gold to an old man. Told. 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 To. to, to, do, 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 open, open, open. I told you to do the dishes and not to open the cabinet. I told you to do the dishes and not to open the cabinet. Good job. Bye.